the vegetables from?
My grandma and grandpa's
Yeah?
garden.
And who's this?
This is my my grandma.
Yeah?
She's
All
gonna
right.
help me cook today.
All right. Nice. And who's this guy?
This is nobody. She just came up here. Right now I'm cooking. Right now I'm picking some lettuce
Why are you picking lettuce?
because I'm gonna make a salad
And where are you picking lettuce today?
at my grandma and grandpa's house.
Very cool.
And who's this guy?
Benjamin.
And who's Ben?
This is Ben.
Oh, and who's this guy?
This is Andy.
Andy. All right. What are you doing here, Claudia?
I'm making a healthy salad, and right now I'm cutting up some strawberries. Everyone can have a salad for dinner too. They can share this whole salad together. I don't care. I mean, it is for the dad. Now, we're going to open this with the rest of the lettuce. After that, we're going to move on to a new vegetable. Right now, we are cutting up a onion for the salad we are making. And our grandpa's cleaning off our dirty shoes outside. Right now, I need some help from my shoe chef.
Sous chef.
I'm available.
Excellent. Claudia,
Yummy.
I noticed that you have your sous chef, Chef Benjamin, with you today. And what do you have Benjamin doing?
I'm having him cut up a strawberry like me. And this is my assistant, Bama,
Oh, wonderful.
my grandma. And
Here,
I'm making
Bama.
these fruits from the garden to make a salad.
Wonderful. Benjamin, Chef Benjamin, can we see your face a bit? Can you? There you go. Hi. How are you today?
Good.
Excellent.
Welcome back. We are making a different vegetable.
So what are we doing here, Chef Claudia?
We're cutting up a tomato.
Okay, what do you do? Hold on here. It's a big knife for a little chef. Would you like some help?
No thanks.
I think I'm gonna get a sous chef in here to help you. Tell me, what do you do with the vegetables before you cut them?
Help. We wash them.
Excellent. Oh, good. Here's some reinforcement.
Of course.
Can you hold it?
Very brave sous chef mama here.
Right now we are putting in the ingredients. Takes a lot of work for this one. Because my face is kind of itchy. Grandma and Grandpa are going to have a lot of salad.
So tell me about salad. Is this a food that's good for you?
Yes,
Why is it good for you?
because it had the vegetables and fruits. This one?
That's it.
They have lots of good vitamins.
Mmm. I love how pretty that is. So what are you doing right now?
Right now I'm mixing it up.
Where's Chef Benjamin's been?
Candies. I am finished tossing the salad. Later I'm going to present it to Papa. Help me! We're back. Dinner is served.